So now let's proceed to the lesson 20, the common expressions. And here in this lesson, we've learned some of the common expressions in Cebuano dialect. So here are some of the common expressions in Cebuano. So in Cebuano, if we say isa, in English, that is each. So if Tagalog, isa, in English, that is one. So since here in Cebuano, isa, in English, that is each. Ganahan. So the word ganahan here in English, that is like or want. So ganahan, like or want. Magbalon. So to bring pack food. So the word mag here is to bring, and the word balon is pack food. Magkita-kita or kita-kits, to meet one another. So magkita-kita or kita-kits in English, that is to meet one another. Masabtan. So the word masabtan here in Cebuano in English, that is to understand. To understand. Mahibalan, to know. Matrapik. So the word matrapik here in Cebuano in English, that is traffic. Masaligan. So masaligan in English, that is reliable or dependable. Labina, especially. So Cebuano, the word labina here in Cebuano in English, that is especially. Pinaka nindot, the most beautiful. The word pinaka here in English is the most. And beautiful is nindot, so the most beautiful. Pinaka nindot. Sakyanan, vehicle. So sakyanan here in English is vehicle. Giingon or giingnan is our saying. Giingon is either S and giingnan is either our saying. Mukuyog or mingkuyog. We can use mukuyog here in Cebuano or mingkuyog and also in Cebuano, and in English that is to joined or to joined. Mutawag or mingtawag. Mutawag here and mingtawag in English is call. Sulod or mingsulod. Enter or to go to work or school. Minglakaw. So leave or departure, either leave or departure, minglakaw. Mingabot or pag-abot. So mingabot or pag-abot here in English is arrival. Mingbalik. So mingbalik is return. Dalugdog. So the word dalugdog here in English, that is thunder. So dalugdog, thunder.